Release the brainstorm to make the motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kind of lyrical. Biggie the bastard, so that's kind of spiritual. Well, in God we trust. Turns out bust got that disgusting suicide something that I'm you know when you're going to. Do you like the things that I bring? I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. The shit's never end. You can't touch my riches.
So it's like a pistol, but it has an F2 in it. So it's really light.
Oh, just fucking
Yeah.
the trigger's so fucking light. Yeah, that thing's insane, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs. I give MCs the run stripping. When I throw my clip in the AK, I slay from far away. Everybody gets the DECK. My slow flow's remarkable. He's doing the mayo. Now we smoke weed like one of my time to slip the yayo. That's crazy blunts, mad L's. My voice excels from the avenue to jail cell. Oh my God, I'm dropping shit like a pigeon. I hope you're listening. Spanking babies at the glistening. So you better grab a pistol to get the shit still. I'm gonna make the fucking shit.
Yo, you such a bitch.